In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Games error NUFFFFF. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. So first, let's open our Google Play Games beta right here, and let's go to our library. So if in any case you're trying to download a game, you're trying to install a game, but you see this error code, what you want to do is exit out of this and open your task manager. So from here in our task manager, we want to end all of the Google related tasks. So for example, Google Chrome, we want to end that task. All of Google related right here, Google Play Games. So we just want to find any Google related service right here. Now what we want to do is go to our file explorer and go to our program files x86. From here, as you can see, there's a Google folder right here. What we want to do is to create a backup of this. So first we want to copy it and paste it on our desktop. So this will be our backup right here. Now you want to delete this folder. So after deleting that folder, what you want to do is restart your PC and go and play Google Play Games Beta. Go run it again. So now from here, I can guarantee you that when you try and install a game, now it will work and will not get the error message. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.